5 traffic. This is Murphy Amp at Papa Golf Mike. 1,000 feet heading eastbound just north of Fraser River, heading towards Harrison area. Papa Golf Mike. I just hear a lot of feedback from the noise.
Yeah.
North of Chilliwack. Now we'll cross in the Fraser River, north to south towards the Harrison, towards the Sumas practice area at 2,000 feet.
Are you doing warm enough?
Yeah, no, fine actually.
Been a while since you've been up, eh?
Yeah, a few months.
Perfect day for flying though, smooth.
Oh, I know, it's lovely. Whoa. Shit.
Sumas traffic says on 152, Conqueror Oscar, standing from in between Duroche and Dudney at 1,000 feet, practicing precautionary. We have the foot plane heading towards the east inside, no conflict.
Oh, yeah, that was a close one. I didn't hear you call your airwork. Papa Golf Mike.
Okay, are you headed towards Harrison or staying in the vicinity?
No conflict. Fuck.
That was close.
I didn't see that until you saw it.
I didn't see it until it came literally there. My God.
Yeah, because she was at 1,000 feet too.
Hang up, Quebec.
The problem with all these practice areas, right? People are doing fields here. That's why I like to stay over the river.
Holy shit.
Mountain will be heading towards Chilliwack.
She was at 1,000 feet?
I didn't see her at the front.
Yeah.
I only saw her, she banked here.
Yeah, no conflict.
No bollocks.
Oh shit, that was close.